Hello everyone! Today we are going to learn the 3 times table. The 3 times table is important because it will also help us later when we learn the 6 times table. First, let's write down the answers in the 3 times table. They are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, and 30. And from counting, we already know how to start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This time I'm using an X as the multiplication sign, not a dot. But in the end it means the same thing. Now we write a 3 in each multiplication fact. And once we are done, we can see the whole 3 times table. Counting by threes. What we can see is this. The 3 times table means that we are counting forward in steps of 3. So we count 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and so on. Now let's look at it on a number line. I prepared the number line from 0 to 18. When we draw the 3 times table on the number line, we are simply jumping forward in steps of 3. From 0 to 3, from 3 to 6, from 6 to 9, from 9 to 12, from 12 to 15, and from 15 to 18. So each jump is plus 3, plus 3, plus 3. The answers are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and 18. This is a very helpful way to see the 3 times table. It helps us picture the jumps in our mind. Now let's show this with math. For example, let's look at 3 times 3. What does that mean? You know that? This means 3 plus 3 plus 3. And 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9. That is the same 9 we saw in the 3 times table on the left. Why multiplication helps? This is helpful in math because it would take a long time if we always had to add again and again. For example, if we wanted to solve 9 times 3, we would need to add 3 9 times. That would take too long, so multiplication helps us. Multiplication is a shorter way to add equal groups. We can show multiplication with an array. Let's use the example 3 times 4. An array uses rows and columns, so we can draw dots to help us see the multiplication. Let's count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So here we have 3 rows and 4 columns. That means 3 times 4 equals 12. What arrays help us see? So an array helps us how multiplication works. It also helps us understand repeated addition. Very good, you did it! The 3 times table is not so hard after all. Am I right? In the next video, we'll look at patterns and tricks for the 3 times table. After that, we will solve math problems together, so we can practice and understand it even better. Or maybe you are already ready for the 4 times table? Join me again next time. See you soon. Bye.